which says if the fourth term in expansion of 2 plus 3 by 8x whole raised to the power 10 has the maximum numerical value, then sum of all positive integral values of x is. See, we can write the given expression as 2 raised to the power 10 can be taken common. So this is 1 plus 3 by 16 x whole raised to the power 10. Now, fourth term has the maximum numerical value. So t lambda plus 1 is given to be equal to t4. So lambda is equal to 3. And we know that n plus 1 into mod x divided by mod x plus 1 by formula, this is equal to 3, which means that it will belong from 3 to 4, right? So n here is 10, so we have 11 into mod x. Mod x means 3 by 16 mod x divided by 3 by 16 mod x plus 1. It will lie between 3 and 4, closed at 3 and open at 4. Now here if I put value of 3 by 16 mod x equal to t, so we have 11t divided by t plus 1. It lies between 3 and 4. Now as t plus 1 is positive, so it can be multiplied on all sides. So we have 3t plus 3 is less than equal to 11t is less than 4t plus 4. So taking first 2, we have 8t is greater than equal to 3 or 7t is less than 4. That is 3 by 16 mod x, that is t, is greater than equal to 3 by 8 but is less than 4 by 7. So mod x will lie between 2 up to 64 divided by 21. Now in the question it has been asked sum of all positive integral values of x. So we can say x can be equal to 2 or 3. So sum is 2 plus 3, that is 5. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Next is question number 62, which says if determinant of this is equal to 0 for all x belonging to R, then a value of n is, right? So here let's take x raised to the power 5 common from the third row. So we have x raised to the power 1010, x raised to the power 1012, x raised to the power 2020, 1, x raised to the power n, x raised to the power 1010, x raised to the power n plus 1, x raised to the power 2020. So this is equal to 0. Now it can be seen that first and third row will be equal if n plus 1 is equal to 1012. If n is equal to 1011, then first and third row will be equal and hence their determinant will automatically be equal to 0, which means one of the value of n which is satisfying this is 1011. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Next is question number 63, which says consider the equation secant x plus cosecant x equal to u for x going from 0 to 2 pi minus pi by 2 pi and 3 pi by 2 has no real root. Then we have to find the interval of u. See, it has been given secant x plus cosecant x is equal to u. Now if we talk about second quadrant, right, for x going from pi by 2 to pi, right, let us say this is equal to fx. So f of pi by 2 plus this will be equal to, so this is the graph of cos x from pi by 2 to pi. So graph of secant x is like this. So pi by 2 plus gives the value as minus infinity, right, plus cosecant of pi by 2, that will be 1. So the value is tending to minus infinity. Now also value of f at pi minus, so this is equal to secant of pi, that is minus 1, plus cosecant of pi. Let's make its graph. This is sin x, so this is the graph of cosecant x. So at pi minus the value is tending to infinity, so this is tending to infinity. So we can say for second quadrant, the value of fx is going from minus infinity to infinity. It means it is attaining all the real values of x. So it is not possible that it has no real root, which means that u will belong to phi. So correct answer is option number 4. Next is question number 64, which says let a and b be unit vectors that are perpendicular to each other. Then we have to find the scalar triple product of these three vectors, right? So this can be written as a plus a cross b. So this is equal to this dot, this cross this one, that is b vector cross a cross b vector, plus if we take cross product of a cross b with a cross b, that will definitely be 0. So this is plus 0. So this is equal to a vector plus a vector cross b vector dot. Now this is a taken out, b dot b vector, that is mod b whole square, as it is a unit vector, so it is 1, minus b vector taken out, b vector dot a vector. Now as a and b are perpendicular to each other, so it means a dot b vector is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So this is equal to a dot a plus a cross b vector dot a. Now this is again equal to a dot a, that is 1, plus a cross b dot a, that will again be 0. So this is equal to 1. So correct answer is option number 1. Next is question number 65, which says the equation of the plane passing through the points 2, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 4, 5 and parallel to the line 2x equal to 3y equal to 4z is. Let us say any plane be like this, as it is passing through the point 2, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 4, 5 and it is parallel to this line whose direction ratios are 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Now let us say this is AB. So direction ratio of AB vector is equal to 1, minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3, 5 minus 0, that is 5. Further, let's find the vector perpendicular to this plane. So let's find the cross product of 1 minus 3, 5 and half 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So this is equal to I cap into minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 3 plus j cap into 5 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus k cap into 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So this is equal to I cap into minus 9 minus 20 plus j cap into 9 by 4 plus k cap into 2 plus 9, that is 11 by 6. So we can say the direction ratios of the line perpendicular to this plane, that is 29 by 12 minus 9 by 4 minus 11 by 6, right? Also multiplying it by 12, we will get 29 minus 27 minus 22. So the equation of the plane is 29x minus 27y minus 22z plus d equal to 0. Now we know that the point 2 minus 1, 0 is satisfying it. So we will get 58 plus 27 plus d is equal to 0. So we have d equal to minus of 85. That is, equation of the plane is 29x minus 27y minus 22z minus 85 equal to 0. That is equal to 85. So from the given options we can see option number 4 is correct. Next is question number 66.